A popular feature of Komoot Premium are the multi-day tours. You can choose from ready-made tours from Komoot or other users, or create a multi-day tour yourself. Today we will plan a multi-day tour together from scratch on the desktop. We will then save it, and I will show you that you can easily edit this multi-day tour at any time. Hello, I'm Thomas, your outdoor tech instructor. Here you will find instructions on outdoor and fitness apps and devices such as watches and navigation systems. And these are the chapters of this video. Create the total route of the tour, edit stages, completing the planning, additional changes. Open Komoot in the browser and go to the route planner. Now we select the start and destination of the tour and the sport. Note that you cannot change the sport later. First, we will plan the entire route of the multi-day tour. You use all the functions you know from normal tour planning. For my example, I will only set the start and finish. If the tour is long enough, the menu item Plan Multi-Day Tour becomes active. Click on it. In the following menu, you define the number of days of your multi-day tour, your fitness level, which determines the estimated duration and the degree of difficulty of your tour. You can also change the direction of the tour. In a large info field under the settings, you can see the estimated minimum duration of your daily tours and the maximum number of meters in altitude that await you on the stage. Have you set the number of the days? Then click on Next. Don't worry, you can still change the number of the days later. Let's take a look at the next menu. On the far left, you will see the selection menu for the stages. At the top, you select the entire tour. Then you can make all the basic settings for the tour except for the sport, such as the number of days, your fitness level, and the direction of the tour. Below this are the daily stages, which we will take a closer look at in a moment. You can also select a daily stage on the map, where the tour is shown schematically. Now we want to edit a stage, in example a single day within your tour. To do this, click on the number on the far left. Alternatively, you can also select the stage on the map. Now you are back in the route planner. What is missing is a selection of the sport and your fitness settings. For this you have the button Add Accommodation and the tab Accommodation. Both lead to the same menu. Click on it and you will be shown possible accommodations near your stage destination. Komoot has evenly distributed the duration and difficulty of the daily tours when creating the stages. Therefore, you should set the day's destination first. You can select a destination from the list or click on it directly on the map. Then select Add Accommodation. Selecting an accommodation does not replace the booking, but is only part of the route planning. You still have to make a booking via usual channels, telephone, email, or booking portal. If you have an overnight stay with friends or at a place not listed, simply drag the waypoint of the destination to the desired place. Move the cursor over the destination point and hold down the left mouse button. Move the waypoint to the desired location and release the mouse button. If you want to change the course of the stage, add further waypoints as usual by clicking on the map. Go to the Tour tab and click in the search field. Now you have all the search functions of normal route planning at your disposal. I have explained everything in this menu in detail in my tutorial of the Komoot sidebar. To find out more, click on the hint above or on the link in my video description. If your stage has the desired course, You can click on the following stage on the left to edit it. Now you will see one of the advantages of the Komoot Premium multi-day tour planner. Komoot has already adjusted the starting point of the next stage to your overnight stop on the previous day. You can now edit the stage in the route planner as usual and also plan an overnight stay. Caution: if you change the starting point of the stage, you will also change the destination of the previous stage. Now plan all stages with overnight stays at itineraries. You can also continue this later. Have you already gained experience with the Komoot multi-day tour planner? Tell me how it went for you. I look forward to your comments. Now we want to complete the planning. To do this, click on the Save button. Komoot creates a collection from your multi-day tour. Give it a name and add a description if necessary. Then click on Create Collection. You are now in the view of a Komoot collection of your multi-day tour. If you wish, set a title picture for the tour. You can share it with others. To do this, you have to change the privacy settings for all stages, which Komoot makes possible with a single click. Then you see the overview of your tour and the individual daily tours. The stages still have automatically assigned names. At the bottom you can comment on the tour. Click on a stage and then change its name if you wish. However, do not click on Edit Tour. We will come to that. Once you have changed the name of a stage, it is difficult to return to the collection. Click on the Tours link at the top. You will land in the profile view of your tours. There you will find your daily stages and a tour with a complete course of your multi-day tour. Do not delete these. To change other names of your stages, go to Collections on the left and select your multi-day tour. When you have planned all stages, you can now use your multi-day tour for navigation. You can select the day's stage directly from this collection in your app. Set the tour offline and off you go. I have shown you how to navigate with the Komoot app in the video at the top right. You can find the link in the video description. What if you want to edit the multi-day tour later because there are changes or because the number of the stages is too large for planning in one go? We'll take a closer look at that now. Go to the collection of your multi-day tour, then click on Edit. Here you can change the name of the collection, the description, the title picture and the visibility, or delete the entire collection. Now click on the link Edit Itinerary. You will return to the editor of your multi-day tour and can continue an interrupted plan or make changes. Proceed as you learned in the chapter Edit stage. You can also change the number of the stages later. However, the previously set accommodations are ignored and the daily destinations are set anew. You can try this out. Don't worry, before you click Save, you can cancel all changes by clicking on Cancel. If you go to Edit in the collection, you can delete the entire collection. Click on Delete Collection. Use the slider to select whether the planned stages should also be deleted. If you do this by mistake, you will still find the complete tour in your tour list and can use it again to plan a multi-day tour. You can find even more instructions for Komoot in the playlist at the top left. Instructions for the map editor Google My Maps can be found in the playlist at the bottom left. I'm Thomas and I'm looking forward to your feedback on this video. See you next time.